If there's one thing most writers struggle with, it's writer's block. If you would like to learn how to punch writer's block in the face, then keep watching. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ezinne Edet. I'm a creative writer and editor who helps writers find their voice and earn from their skill. If this is something that you're very much interested in, then you'll want to hit the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways that you can beat writer's block. I'm sure you're itching to know them, so let's get right to it. Number 1, stop believing in writer's block. Yes, you heard me right. Personally, I believe that writer's block is just something that writers made up to make sure that they do not write. Why do I say so? I say this because writer's block is always caused by something. It's either you're tired, lazy, or you've been procrastinating. It could even be that you've not done enough research on the topic that you are writing about. You see, there's always something that causes writers to experience a creative slowdown. It's better to call the problem by its name instead of simply saying, I'm suffering from writer's block. Number 2, keep an idea bank. As a writer, you always experience a period of idea overflow and idea scarcity. So, at that point when you're having a lot of ideas flowing in your mind, what you need to do is to write it down, either in your journal or in a note app on your phone. This is very important because at those times when you're experiencing idea scarcity, you can always go to your bank and make some withdrawals. Number 3, cut back on distractions. Distraction has a way of slowing down your creativity, so you want to be sure that you pick the right environment and the right time to start writing. And when you want to write, you may want to put off your phone or activate the do not disturb function. You could also take advantage of productivity apps like Stay Focused and Write Room to block out distractions. Number 4, identify why you're experiencing a creative slowdown. Could it be as a result of stress, overwhelm, pressure to meet a deadline, personal issues, or procrastination? Once you are able to identify why you are experiencing a creative slowdown, then you would know what to do to be able to solve the problem. Number 5, take a break. Writer's block could just be a result of overwhelm or burnout. The simple thing to do is to take a break. You can make a phone call, read a book, play a game, listen to an inspirational music, or take a walk. Doing this could help you ease tension and get your creative juices flowing again. Number 6, do your research before writing. Researching is a very critical step in the writing process. It's important that you get enough information about what you want to write about before you even start writing. This is one of the ways that you can beat writer's block. If you'd like to know why researching is a very critical step in the writing process, then after watching this video, you'll want to watch this one here. Number 7, practice stream of consciousness writing. Stream of consciousness writing is a type of writing whereby you just write as your thoughts flow. This type of writing is usually filled with grammatical errors, lacks structure, and is disjointed. But remember, the aim is to get yourself to just write. Number 8, use writing prompts. A writing prompt is a brief passage, text, or sometimes an image that gives you an idea to write about. Whenever you're experiencing a creative slowdown, you could go online and search for writing prompts to spark up your creative juices. Number 9, do not wait for inspiration. One of my favorite quotes is by Dan Poynter, and it says, if you wait for inspiration to write, you are not a writer, you are a waiter. The best way to get inspiration to start writing is to actually start writing. So, whenever you're experiencing a creative slowdown or you're not just in the mood to write, start by putting one word after the other, and in no time, you will knock yourself into the writing mood. If you are getting value so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Number 10, shun the perfectionist mentality. There is no right way or wrong way to write. Just write. Allow yourself to make mistakes and grow. Remember, done is better than perfect. And there you have it, the 10 ways to beat writer's block. Leave a comment below to let me know how you've been beating writer's block so far, and I'll see you in the next video.